I promise every single one of these is real. And by the end, your brain will feel broken. In 1903, the Wright brothers flew for 12 seconds. 66 years later, 66, we landed on the moon. Your grandparents potentially witnessed both. Let that sit. You think mammoths are ancient history? But while Egyptians were literally stacking the pyramids, mammoths were still walking the earth. They weren't even gone yet. While Victorian ladies were sipping tea in corsets in London, cowboys were having shootouts in the American West. Same planet, same decade, completely different worlds. 1977, Luke Skywalker hit theaters. Also in 1977, France executed someone by guillotine, a medieval beheading device in the disco era. France, what were you doing? Nintendo, yes, the Mario guys, was founded in 1889. Jack the Ripper was literally unsolved news at the time. Nintendo started as a playing card company while London was terrified. This one breaks people every time. Cleopatra died in 30 BC. The pyramids were built around 2560 BC. The iPhone launched in 2007. Do the math. She has more in common with us than with the pyramids she admired. Comment the one that got you, and follow because I have 100 more of these.